think?
Into the hallway. She's not around, and if she smelled that thing, she'd be here. Yep.
Hi.
She's totally in the hallway.
Here we go. I'm making a document.
My banana. You stay away from my banana. Oh. Shh. Think about this banana. This is my banana.
She's gonna get it away from him. She's looking for an entry point.
Through his butt.
Get it, Louise.
My banana! Louise does it weird.
What do you mean?
Look at her, she's like smoking it. It's like a big fatty.
Yeah.
Jamaica.
He's like, when are you gonna be done? Because I kind of want to have that thing back.
I want the banana. She was out in the hall. Yes, she was.
Was she just waiting for you to let her back in?
Pretty much. I knew she was out there because if that banana's out, she's not all over it. She's out in the hall.
She was like, I'm locked out in the cold. Here, take the banana away from her. See what she does. Ooh. She's not much of a jumper.
Huh?
She's not much of a jumper.
Yeah, but
She's so bottom heavy.
she really did it well for this. What drawer did you put this in?